Hey there, Easy Math students. Welcome to homework 5.3b, one-step equation problem solving. This is due Monday. Calculators are okay. Remember, on Monday you'll be doing 5.4. So it says Marva spent 45 hours in 2 weeks working on a class project. She worked 22 hours the first week. Write and solve an addition equation to find the amount of time she spent working the second week. So kind of helps you out here because it tells you, it says write and solve an addition equation. And it says, all right, I wanted to know the amount she worked the second week. The time she worked in week 2. Picture, you could just say, hey, here's Marva. I have no idea what she's working on, but week 1, she works 22 hours plus week 2. She works, I don't know how many hours, but then together she works 45 hours, right? So that kind of helps us with our equation, right? Our equation should be 22 plus x is equal to 45. It checks off the boxes, right? We've written an addition equation just like they asked us. So the variable is on the left. I see addition. So therefore I'm going to use subtraction to isolate my variable. So let's go ahead and do that. Draw your scales of justice. I see addition, so I use subtraction to isolate our variable. Right, the whole idea is making this 0. That is 0. Drop down your x. X is equal to 23. So she worked 23 hours. So I subtracted 22 to both sides to get 23. All we have to do now is check it. So 22 plus x equals 45. Just erase your x and plug in your answer. So 23, right? 22 plus 23 ends up being 45. So 45 does equal 45. We're done. Question number 3. It says, for 2 days in a row, Alvin jogged to the park. He jogged for 46 minutes on Friday, and this is 19 minutes less than he ran on Saturday. Write and solve a subtraction equation to find the amount of time Alvin spent. So we know on Friday he jogged. We know on Saturday he jogged. What we know is that on Friday he jogged for 46 minutes, right? On Saturday we know he jogged, let's see, more time or less time? It says Friday, if it was 46 minutes. This time on Friday is 19 minutes less than he ran on Saturday. So it is more time on Saturday, than he ran on Friday, right? Because Friday's time is 19 minutes less than Saturday. So Saturday is what we don't know, right? That's our x, right? So we could say x, Saturday, minus 19 is equal to 46. And we've written a subtraction equation just like they told us, right? So this x represents Saturday's time, right? Minus Friday's time is equal to, minus 19 is equal to Friday's time. That's basically what we've decided to do, right? So I want to know the time Alvin spent jogging on Saturday. Okay, so my equation was x minus 19 equals 46. Again, here's what we're doing. We're piecing together information. We're saying, hey, Saturday, I don't know how much time. I just know that he spent 19 minutes less running than he did on Friday. Friday was 46. So if I subtracted 19 from Saturday's time, I should get Friday's time, which is exactly what we got. So we'll do ahead and do scales of justice. My variable is on the left. I see subtraction. Therefore, I'm going to use addition. So I should add 19 to both sides. In doing so, those cancel off. Drop down your x. We've isolated our variable. It's the only thing we have left on that side. Add these up. You get 65 minutes. 65 minutes. So I added 19 to both sides and got 65. So the last thing we got to do is check. So x minus 19 equals 46. Replace our variable with our answer, which was 65 minus 19. This subtracted equals 46, so 46 is equal to 46. I am done. All right, that's all I'm going to do, since you've already had another homework and correct answers that you could look at to help you out. This is all I'm going to do. So every problem I haven't done, please make sure you're showing work, drawing pictures, writing down information, just like I have. All right, that's it. Have a good weekend. Call me if you have questions.